says copyright 1922. Copyright 1908. It's Gene Autry, Last Roundup. Way out west in Texas. Copyright 1922. So let's see, what are we gonna listen to? Let's give that one a try. Let's see what it sounds like. This will operate off a hand crank. It's got a pretty long spring inside of there. You can usually play about 3 records this size before you'll hear the speed start to slow down a little bit. There's a fine-tune knob here, speed it up, slow it down. Other than that, there's just a spring, connects to a flywheel underneath that keeps the turntable running at a constant speed. These are needles that fit into a holder. Got spare needles in the holder back here. There's more needles inside of the holder back in there. This is a spare knob for holding parts together. I'm not going to pretend that I know the fine-tuning of this stuff, but I can make sounds. So this is the song called I'm Somebody Nobody Loves from 1922. I've listened to this before. It's not that melancholy. So you flip the lever and give it about a count of 15 to get up to speed. Then you flip the lever over. But you get mechanical noise off of the moving parts. So you get better fidelity with the lid closed. Park the needle, flip the lever forward, brakes come on, you can change your record, and these don't really like to be stored with the spring tightened up, so before you park it and put it away, you turn the turntable on and you let the spring run down to slack, and then you're done. Meantime, put your records away. And that's what it's like to play a old Victrola phonograph.